The Harley rider became triggered after two bikers lane filtered next to him and began acting as if he owned the road. Take a look.
You want to see it, Willie? Alright.
What the fuck?
What's his problem?
His problem.
Come on, mini bikes, bro.
What's his problem?
This biker explained that traffic rules are often ignored in Brazil, making accidents like this common. In this case, the driver was fully at fault, and fortunately, biker was not seriously injured. As we mentioned many times, group rides can become hectic when riders lose focus on the traffic ahead. This heartbreaking startled the woman in front, who thought the biker had nearly rear-ended her.
Let me get up there, let me get up there, let me get up there. What's up?
Out of your ass,
Are you yelling at me?
yeah, I'm yelling at you.
What?
You almost hit the back of my car.
I was in control the
You're
whole
not
time.
in control. I've seen you, kid.
I was in control, I promise.
Idiot. That's why I parked you the mayor.
Yeah, the mayor, I agree. $15,000, you're in a Prius.
Yes, $15,000 car, dumb.
$3,000 on the marketplace, take it or leave it. Yeah, for sure.
I know, bro. It's not like
The rear view camera doesn't work?
Nah.
What?
Are you good? That's my bad, bro. My rear view camera, it's like it's cracked, bro. You trying to get out the road though, just so we don't block it up. I was finna just park right here. That's my fault, bro. For real, like.
This biker had one of the worst nights ever. After being backed into by BMW and seeing the driver flee the scene, he was later involved in another crash that totaled his bike and left him with severe injuries. While cruising home, this biker spotted potentially dangerous debris on the highway and could not just ride past. He turned around to remove it. What do you think, guys? What caused this low side? While lane filtering, this biker made mistake and unfortunately clipped another vehicle. While waiting in the traffic, this biker captured a car accident where a driver failed to notice an ambulance approaching with emergency lights on and pulled out in front of it.
I can't see I can't see. Ah! Thanks, God. Ah! He gave me a rag. What a guy.
If you are planning to perform stunts, investing in crash bars is a smart decision.
Oh man, that was a good one.
Are you good?
Yeah, I think so. Just some road rash. Thank God for the crash cages I built. Oh shit.
Fala, meu Deus do céu.
A minha foto.
Não, eu vi. Eu já tinha visto de longe.
Eu me desesperei logo.
Dice Bura. Vai, ei! Hey, dice, তুমি চাপ দিতে আমার রেকর্ড আমার রেকর্ড আছে আমার রেকর্ড আছে কিন্তু তুমি চাপ দিতে কেন আমার রেকর্ড আছে কথা কথা আমি কইলাম যে ভাই কি তুই আমার কত কো এ পুরো চাপ দে আমার কাছে ভিডিও আছে তো
This clip shows why bikers wear helmet cameras and how they can protect you. While overtaking a bus, the driver entered the biker's lane, causing a crash. Fortunately, frame sliders prevented direct impact to the rider's leg. But the driver still attempted to blame the biker for the accident. Take a look.
Are you on the bike?
Yeah,
Were you coming the other way?
yeah. I was lane splitting and she just pulled out on me.
No, it was me.
Oh.
You were bloody over here, mate. What were you doing?
I was lane splitting.
You were exactly.
Yeah.
There's a bus here.
Yeah, I'm legal.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah.
Okay.
For now, yeah.
Did you come off the bike?
No.
Right. So is there damage?
Only this thing.
What? What's that?
That's the protection. If I get off the bike.
This biker avoided using the front brake due to the worn tires, but the combination of the steep incline and the slippery road was enough to send him downhill. This biker lane filtering triggered the driver, who began following dangerously close and, according to the rider, attempted to force him off the road.
Alright, let's go talk to that idiot. What was that?
What was what? You called in front of me. Did you do that?
Yeah.
Did you take responsibility for that?
It's actually legal for me to lane filter.
But it's not coming first.
I really am just
I
wondering.
know you're a nice kid. I know you are. I was just
It just really upset me because, like, do you really think it's appropriate to run somebody off the road because of common courtesy? It really is scary when people do that. I'm serious.
Okay.
I've got your plate, so don't do anything stupid.
This driver failed to check her mirrors before changing lanes, clipping the biker's handlebars in the process.
Just hit me. You just hit me. You just hit me. With your car on that side. Camera going to the police. You didn't look. Use your mirror.
And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe!